Within Marpipe, we are able to organize our assets into collections. But why should we? Well, collections give us a way to view and think about our assets based on their inherently shared traits. This allows us to tag our creative ingredients with any higher level feature that we care about. Let's say we have these 9 image assets uploaded to Marpipe. 5 of the images are depicting humans, while 7 are depicting our product. We can group the humans into a human collection and the products into a product collection. This is a high-level distinction between our images, but we can dive deeper by grouping the humans by further characteristics. For example, this one human is male, while these 4 humans are female. Do you see where we're going with this? The segmentation that we have just outlined will act as a guide in our experiment. When we add all 9 of these images as variants for our ad, we aren't just testing to see which of these images are the best, but we're also testing to see if product shots outperform shots with those of humans, if female outperforms male. While finding the winner of the 9 images gives us immediate next steps to optimize, measuring the performance of these macro-level factors over time will tell us what traits are the most important about our creative overall. Now that we've launched the test, let's look at our insights. It turns out that one of the product shots has the highest amount of purchases of all the 9 images. But when we then break down by the product shots versus human collections, we find out that humans more consistently get purchases. And when we break down by male versus female, we find out that females far outperform the male collection. The further that we characterize our assets, the more information that we'll be able to pull out of them. Now, armed with this knowledge, the information that we continue to gather will be more clear and actionable. And we can start asking more detailed questions about our ad creative.